Welcome. This is Robert Walker going on a very extreme adventure into the premonition of birds.
That is going on.
No, wait, I've got to get my shin guards on.
Oh, I'm just... Don't take the
This
button.
is my tool of the day.
Don't take the button, you'll end up wasting it.
Right,
No, wait, I've got to get my shin guards on.
Who's going in with me?
Nixon.
Oh,
He's got the camera.
Open
The cameraman.
the door yet.
Don't open the door.
What's in this room here?
That's where we keep the birds.
Just a what? I'm hiding in here. Right, we are just going to go in. Aye. Go and walk, you can leave them. No, just go in quietly.
Look out! Smashing off the walls.
Oh, you've got face protection.
I haven't got head protection, have I?
I'll smack your head. Right, go.
Do you have a hat? Go on, Sam, me and you.
I reckon it's called tallest to smallest.
We have to go and quick so it doesn't go.
I'm not a chicken or anything.
Who's coming in?
Yeah, we should all go in, lads, that's right.
Oh, let's go.
If we go in,
It's only fair.
if we go in and they're sparrows, I'm going to kick off. You look well with your glasses as well.
No, don't make any noises because you don't want to... Let's go.
Oh, Dennis, put it on my head. It is too scary, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's like you can.
Hey, Sam, come on.
No, we're
Like-
going to do it. We're
it's
going
like-
It's your house, you should do it. Come on.
to I'm going off to it.
Is that your bag, Nixon?
No.
Come on. Let's go. What, how are we going to get it out?
We're open it. I want them all.
You've got to open, you've got to go.
Open the window and that.
Look up. Just open it. They can't get out.
You hold it.
Oh, they can't get out. That.
Don't open the door. If you're gonna open the door, we've got to go in.
If you're going to go in quick.
Well, if we're going to go in, we're all going to have to go in quick.
Right, go. 1, 2, 3.
Bang! Freeze!
1, 2, 3. Are we gone?
Right.
We're gone.
I need a kiss.
Goodbye.
Alright.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, see it?
I'm going to noise! Oh, jeez. Alright, they're coming. 1,
I think they're at the bottom of the door. Let me have a look through it.
2.
I think it's like the door.
Come on, just
I
go.
don't see anything. The racket's in the way.
I don't care.
Open it slightly and
Hang
walk
on.
over it.
My face protection's disappeared.
1.
Are you ready? Right. We're all going in.
1,
We are screwed now.
2.
Go. Come on. What is it?
No,
It's behind the door. Wait. Just wait a couple minutes. It's behind the door. I'll be quiet. I'll be quiet. It's not funny.
Here, birdie.
No, don't. I don't want this room being wrecked.
You don't want to do that.
Well, we need to go in ASAP.
I'm actually shaking.
Go, Andrew, go.
You're going to fucking lock me.
No, we're not.
Oh,
We're
The
not.
18. This is the scariest thing on the Robert Walker Adventures.
18 little boys.
You know what? I had this thing that my auntie was
You go
going
in.
to take me up and down. But,
Go in, Sam. You're actually bad.
you know what we should get?
Walker,
We should call the
right?
professionals.
Walker,
Whether you can
stop.
find them
Right,
or not.
I'll open the door. Walker goes in with Sam and Andrew, and you open the window. And I'll close the door like you said. If it doesn't work out, I'll order 3 coffins.
You come on. Walk out. Come on. Let's go.
You get mauled by a bird.
He's ready.
Just walk on.
Walker, go.
Shut the door really quick.
Riley Walker.
On the window. They just smashed the lamp.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it actually smart?
No, it's not.
Go.
Are you off your fucker? Do you know where they are? On the window.
We can't get to the window, so go. Oh.
But,
Okay, stop. Right, no. Okay, stop.
do you want me to send my report back?
Go.
Right, my report is that they're all on the window where I've got to open. It's a bit tricky.
Well, one of us has to be distractors, alright? Who's going to be the distractor?
You.
Me and you, and then he opens the window.
What's wrong? I've got to stand there going,
And I'll get some on now.
You can have
That window's hard to open, so we'll have to do it quickly.
that window's hard to open. That makes it easier. That one's going to even be longer. Right,
You 2 go in and we'll come in after you.
Shut
And
up.
We'll close it up.
that. Alright, if you lock us in, I'm going to absolutely kill you.
Okay.
Just go in. With the one butter.
listen, if you think it's that easy, you do it. Give me the camera.
Fuck off.
Get it.
No, you be
You
careful,
think
be
he's that
careful.
idiot?
Be careful, just hold it. Don't
Hey,
press any buttons.
Walker, tell
Not
us
press buttons, Sam.
Sorry, what are the size of the birds?
The crows.
Right, we made the distraction.
You liar.
Are they actually crows? Yeah.
They're black, and they've got black beaks and black feet,
They're fucking huge.
and they're about that big.
Shut up.
Do you not believe me?
Right, get back.
Do you
Get
really
back.
want to go back in?
No, it's like,
Don't swing at them.
Yeah, can I have a lesson then? Look at